This is a modern Spanish house located in Madrid, Spain. It has an elegant design combined with exquisite floral decor that makes it look so beautiful. So let's jump right into it. Welcome to this luxurious home featuring 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms distributed over 2 floors. You enter the home through the magnificent hall, which has a double-height ceiling, which makes it feel even more spacious. The stairs are made of wood and iron, creating a nice contrast with the white walls. The living room is very bright thanks to the large windows and the light colors used throughout the house. There is a fireplace on one side and a TV on the other. And notice the beautiful bouquet of flowers in the center of the room. Here is the dining area with a large table surrounded by 6 velvet chairs. Next to it, there is a shelf with more flowers, some fruit, and a nice decorative mirror. In this corner, there is a beautiful piano and a sofa. On the opposite side of the living room, we can see a small office space next to the window. The kitchen is open and features white cabinets with black countertops. The appliances are stainless steel, and the backsplash is made of a nice blue tile. There is also a central island in the middle with a sink and 3 comfortable chairs. On this side, there is another area for dining with a small table and 2 chairs. Here's a closer look at the beautiful blue tile used on the backsplash and the countertops. There's a door that leads to the backyard and another that leads to the laundry room. The laundry room has white cabinets and a black countertop. Here is a closer look at the blue tile floor. Now let's go upstairs. This is the first bedroom with a double bed and a wooden wardrobe. There is a balcony with a glass railing and a beautiful chandelier above the bed. The second bedroom has a single bed and a large desk with a shelf above it. There is a small wardrobe on the side and a beautiful painting on the wall. The third bedroom is the master bedroom, and it has a double bed with a headboard made of wood. There are 2 nightstands on each side with lamps and decorations. In this corner, there is a large wardrobe, and in the opposite side there is a small office desk. The master bedroom has access to a large terrace with a glass railing. This is a great space to start your day with some breakfast while enjoying the view. Now let's take a look at the ensuite bathroom. It has a large shower with a rain shower head. There is a vessel sink on top of a wooden countertop and a beautiful mirror on the wall. Next to the shower, there is a toilet and a bidet. This is the other bathroom for the guests. It has a shower with a rain shower head, a vessel sink on a countertop, and a beautiful mirror.
Ow!
Let's go back to the main hall and take the stairs outside. We will discover a beautiful garden with different types of plants and flowers. This is the perfect place to relax after a long day. Let's walk around and enjoy the outdoors. There are many areas to sit and contemplate nature. There is a fountain in the center that creates a relaxing atmosphere, and here's the view from another angle. As you can see, the house is surrounded by greenery, which makes it look even more beautiful. There is a barbecue area on the other side with a brick oven and a grill. And finally, we arrive at the pool area, which is the perfect place to cool off on a hot summer day. The pool has a rectangular shape and is surrounded by a wooden deck. The house is located in a quiet neighborhood but close to all the action. We walk for about 2 minutes. We can find restaurants, supermarkets, and shops. If you want to know more about the location, I encourage you to use the location feature of your favorite map app. You can also use the measuring tape feature to check the distance between this house and other points of interest. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.